Welcome to BotBee. In this video we will show you how to create a persistent menu, get started and welcome message for Facebook Messenger. Go to BotBee dashboard. Click Bot Manager in left side menu under Facebook. Then select Get Started Settings. Now enable Get Started. And then select Get Started Template. You can edit this template as per your need. Then click Save button. Now back to Get Started Settings and select Save Settings. That's it, now Get Started enabled successfully. Now we can see how to enable persistent menu. Select persistent menu in Bot Manager, and then click Create button. You have to enable Get Started for Icebreaker. Keep locale as default. Here we have an option to disable composer input. If we disable this option, then users won't be able to type any message to your messenger. They can only click on the Get Started or Persistent menu item to start the conversation, and just follow the bot's reply. They can't type anything to reply. If you want, you can do that. But for now we are not going to disable the composer input, so keep it no. Now we will create menu items. I am creating menu for opening time. And the select postback. If you already created postback, you can select from list, or you have to create new one. I am selecting already created one. Next, creating menu for details. Next, creating menu for website. Select web URL as action. Next, creating menu for pricing. Click Add and then create new postback. Click Save and then back to Persistent menu and click Refresh. Now select New Postback from list. And then click Save. Now go to Option, and then select Publish Persistent menu. That's it, Persistent menu published successfully. Facebook Persistent menu update may take some time to update on user side. It's cached from Facebook. Now we'll see how to create welcome message and icebreaker. The greeting text on the welcome screen is your first opportunity to tell a person why they should start a conversation with your messenger bot. Some things you might include in your greeting text might include a brief description of what your bot does, such as key features or a tagline. Greetings have a 160-character maximum, so keep it concise. Next we will see the icebreaker. If you want to enable icebreaker, you have to disable Get Started. The Facebook icebreaker option allows businesses to set up predefined questions that appear at the beginning of a conversation in Messenger, encouraging users to start a chat. In About field you will see our welcome message. In below right side you will see Persistent menu. Thank you for watching the video.